Today in this video we are going to make a Blogspot theme. We're gonna see that we can make a Blogspot theme or not using we are going to use Gemini. Okay, so view the blog. As you can see, this is my website. It's a default Blogspot theme that I'm using right now. So as you can see here, if you go to temp themes, you can see that the notable antique. So that is the theme that I'm using right now. Okay, so I want to first let her backup. I will download this. I'm trying to make a Blogspot theme for at least 9 years, and I was not successful till then. Whenever I face some kind of problem, I left that. Again, after 6 months or 1 year, I tried, but I could not able to do that because I was not putting effort. So today we are just going to upload that file that we get. So download this one. Okay, so I will just ask to make some changes. Okay, I want you to make this theme responsive and focus on mobile first design, SEO friendly and user friendly, and remove unnecessary. Okay, spelling might be wrong. There's no issue with that. If you understand, just say this unnecessary things and make a better design like a professional web designer. So I asked this prompt. Okay, I'm using the Flash. I'm not gonna use that Pro mode right now. So let's see what we are getting. So it will take some time. Okay, so it is writing that code. I'm not sure that how well it's gonna be, but let's see. For till now the code I see, it's like it should be good. I'm not sure about it because I don't have idea. Okay, so the CSS is written. Okay, when I was making a Blogspot theme, I tried early before first time when I started that I built it, but the design was not good, and the functionality I saw on many templates that providing free, it was really good. So then I left that. Again I tried, I failed because I could not make that way I wanted. So I left it again, and now I want to use AI tools. The problem I had that I don't want to put effort. That was the issue. So what I said here, that you just remove that unnecessary things and make it SEO friendly, better design. I want to see that how it's gonna look like when it's get complete. I just hope it should be better. So here you can see that it's saying that mobile first responsiveness, SEO user friendly, better design professionalism. Okay, and that's all the changes it's gonna do. I want to really test it out. I see that how it's good it is. So it's writing the code. It's really big. Just wait. Just see that design. This is the design of first page. This is the design of second page. Okay, so as you can see, that is, and I'm not sure this template is SEO friendly or not. Okay, let me stop that. Let's reload again. As you can see, this is the page. Here you can see all the things here. Now let's go to the home page. Okay, now see here, still the code is I believe it takes some time. Just wait for a few more minutes. So this is the theme, and let's see, go to switch to first generation classic themes. I will not go. Click on edit HTML, go here. So we're gonna just copy that and paste it here. So you see here that line code around is As you can see, it's around mostly around 5,000 of codes. You can see that if you say the statements like that. So it's a big template, and here's still writing that. I just hope it finishes soon as possible. Okay, we have to wait for a couple of minutes and see when it's gonna complete. Right now it's writing the CSS of toolpicks. I don't get what is that. I understand budgets and big section, but I have problem like B include. I couldn't understand how it really works, because whenever I try, there's a small mistake that template get broken, and it can't be installed, and that's a really struggling. I tried making WordPress theme, and I was able to do that. I remember a couple of years ago back I was learning PHP, so I could make a WordPress theme. I won't have any problem, but Blogspot I have. The biggest problem is that I could not test it out. I can only test it out here when I have internet connection, and on WordPress you can see it properly, and the errors I see here, for me it was not doable, so I left that. I want to see that is gonna work or not. You see that it's taking a lot of time to write the code, but it's a good thing that even you don't have a premium subscription, like normal subscription, you can easily tell that to do it. I just hope that it's gonna do the right thing. Just wait. I believe it's gonna complete soon. Yeah, I believe it's gonna complete now. As you can see, our code is completed. Last HTML here. So we're gonna just copy that, because there's nothing need to be written anymore. As you can see, the last code is HTML. Okay, so here it's all done. Now we are gonna select all. Okay, now click copy. Okay, now you can just paste it here. Select all, B. As you can see that everything till now there's no issue. Save. Okay, now they're saying error. Okay, we need to find it in like here. Let's see. 67 here. So it's saying that div must be written by that matching div tag. So let's just have it like here. There might be some kind of mistake like that, but as you can see, this is not the issue. But I'm not seeing any p tag starting here at all, so let's just remove the p tag. There's still the issue. Okay, so 34 section. Okay, so there's a one section, a tag, b tag, div tag. There I'm not seeing any kind of p tag. The be includable starts here, starts, ends here. So I'm not seeing a p tag here, so I get confused. Okay, section tag, div tag starting here, b tag, b if ends here, div that is ends here too, div started. Okay, there's no closing iframe or one closing div. Okay, bf condition. Then we need a div tag from here. So before here we need to put a div tag, div. Let's see if there's any other problem or not. So code successful. Now let's reload it. Okay, as you can see that the design is not working. Okay, let's go to that here. Not working at all. So let's see, we can just there's a blog one, we can just put it a revert to default blog one. Okay, now it's done. Like click OK. Now reload again. So now you can see that we can able to see our posts. Okay, if you go to the home page, we can see our posts, but all the things is not working. So if you're thinking that just copy paste and we can do it, then it's not possible. So one possibility we have it. Now let's see if I say that just fix this code, there's an error, it's not working. I think that we're gonna face more trouble, because editing this kind of code, I believe it's not gonna be successful. But still, let me try once again. Fix all issues it have and make it better. Let's see. What is saying that theme code and find you few detecting issues. Okay, typography, makeup line, layout refinement. Okay, so even that again, that's one is writing. I believe even if I copy and paste it here, it will not work. I can't tell you why, but I think it will not work. Let's check the layouts, how it was. Reload again. You can see that this is the layout. That something is not like I want. So let's go to edit code. So as you can see that just copying pasting, it won't work and it will take some time. Let's use some other tools like DeepSeek. It was a Chinese model and it's quite famous, so we're gonna use that. We're gonna do the same thing as we did with that. I want to see that what result we gonna get. So just copy. Okay, now we're gonna just copy that prompt, same prompt, nothing extra, and paste it here. There's another AI tool. It's a Qwen Corder3. I want to use that and see that what kind of result I will get from here. So they're saying what they're gonna do. Let's see if this is writing or not. So it's writing the code. As you can see that it is similar to what we have seen, but here you can see that it started with the HTML. As you can see that here always start from here, so there's no problem, we can just write that code. Okay, let's see other things they are doing right or not. Okay, so Coder3 and Gemini is still writing the code. Just wait for a few minutes and we see that how it's working. So we're gonna select upload document and it's not taking that. Let's see, image, upload video, upload document. As you can see that not taking any kind of XML file. As you can see, I can't upload this one. I can upload another but not that one, nor HTML. As you can see, there's an option of I can upload a web, but as you can see the HTML, JSON, others I can't upload it here. So I just need to directly copy that. Okay, so I will just copy this command. Okay, I'll just tell that to just paste it here, redesign, or just paste that same prompt as I copied. I know that I have given that updated one that the CSS is not working, but I believe it can fix that issue. I just hope so. So as you can see that here it's writing the code. CSS is writing, as you can see here again, it is writing only HTML, not XML codes. So we need to find a way in which we can just convert the HTML code to XML. That can also be doable, but I'm sure that it won't work. But first let's see what is happening, then we're gonna try out. Here you can see that it's giving the idea, but it's not written the code. Okay, okay, best on provider XML HTML basis code for your blog or theme. I can see it already incorporates many of the improvement you requested. Just I say that write theme code. Okay, here you can see that it's still writing. It will take some time. Here it's already complete, but as you can see here, it's only written the HTML. Even I copy this, let's say if I copy this and just paste here and run that, the first thing it come from here, so we can just have it like we'll just copy and paste. Okay, this one, just copy that here and again try to save. So line number 8 here, column number 37, I believe that is some kind of column. Let me remove this one. Now save again 34. I believe nothing gonna work from here. Let's try again. 439, as you can see here, head tag. So like that, if you try that, it won't work. That's something I can tell you that, because I tried before also and I was not successful. As you can see here, it's written the code much better than DeepSeek. Let's see it's complete or not. It's still writing and it's really fast. As for Google's, I believe it's complete. Okay, copy, then we're gonna paste it here, command all, command V, and click save. As you can see, there's error. Let me check that. 68, let me check. 68, here is it again, the same issue. You see there, we are facing the same issue like last time we faced. I thought it would understand that, but it didn't. So div and command save. So successful. Let's me reload again. Similar result, nothing change happened. As you can see here, not working, no design. There are a lot of improvement I need to make if I really go for that. So this idea, I believe it won't work. Even I tried couple of more times, I would not get that. Okay, this one is a better idea, that if there's any way I can convert that. Let me say that I want you to convert it to be to see, when I first see the code. Okay, let me check here. As you can see here, it's saying that XML basis code. Okay, I'll just say that I want to convert this code to BSS Blogspot. Let's see what happens. Okay, BSS. Okay, I will convert responsive design work blogger template system. Here a complete implementation. So you can see that it is writing the code similar like that way. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get a better template or not. As for here, I believe it's already complete. So as you can see, Qwen Corder3 is really fast. Okay, complete. So we are gonna just copy that. Let me see. That's not gonna work here. Just go up. As you can see here, the copy option. Click here. Now we're gonna just and save it. So it also has error. So 1184. So here loop div tag closing div there. So it's saying that number column 3, the element bf must be written by matching end tag. So bf started here. Okay, another start, div tag, belse tag, bloop, bif, bloop, and here div tag. Okay, bif condition, else bf, then bf, then bf tag. So one tag here, okay, and here. Let's see, here is the one. Okay, loop here, else here. Just let me write one more code. Okay, let's save. As you can see, it's completed. Now let me reload this one. So it's much better than okay, let me go to the main page. Okay, it's working, but designs is not there. As you can see here, no design. Apart from everything's working, skip to the main page. So the CSS is not working, or we can, if you have the knowledge about it, then you can fix this issue, but I'm not gonna use that. Okay, so let's assume that if we put it directly, then you can just get this kind of result, but you won't get the complete template. So we're gonna just say that CSS is not working, fix that and improve design. So we just told that. As you can see here, it's still writing the code for us. It is much better than before. You can see right now it is writing the code in like a Blogspot template. Before was HTML, but not right now. As for here, we don't ask anything else. Now let's try something else. We're gonna just say them to create from scratch. So we're gonna select a new. We say that create a Blogspot theme, make it SEO friendly, responsive, and mobile first design, better UX. Okay, there's no problem. I just want to see that what result we get. Okay, here it's complete. We are just copy that, and we are gonna just copy, paste, and then save. Here also there's column 789. Okay, 789 here. So you can see this is the issue. If you just cut it like now, save it again. 801. Okay, this is the issue. If I do that, then the code gonna be really wrong. So I'm not sure what should I do here. Okay, it's saying that line 25, the entity must immediately flow 1 in the entity reference. If I do that, then another error will gonna come soon, as I told you that. Just for right now, we just have to do this and see what happens. Okay, you can use that C data for it, but our goal is to directly see if we can able to make a Blogspot template or not. So it was not there. Now here you see it. It's writing the code. Okay, here we're gonna say that we are facing some problem. Find all problems and fix it. As you can see, it's writing here. As for Google, 10.8. So it has designed that again. Small template. Okay. We are gonna just command copy, command paste, save it. You see, all the time we are getting error again and again. 355 here. So BF statement. So you can see here B section, B started, else, B end, B include, B widget. It's saying that line 17 the must element div. Where the div started? Div started here. Okay, div started here, but we are not saying the ending. They must somewhere is written the code like that way. We are not saying that because we don't have much knowledge about it. But if I just end that div tag, let's say that here, okay, okay, not here, but not here, then just below div. That is not solve the problem. Okay, so just both places we just add that div tag ending. I believe this might solve the problem. But 408, it's saying that element must be determined by the matching add tag B element. As you can see that like that you're gonna see a lot of problem, and I don't understand why in a Blogspot template I'm gonna see this kind of problem. Because of lack of knowledge or some other reason behind it, I don't know it. And that's the problem I've faced. If I want to make a WordPress theme, I will not face this kind of issue. I can easily generate that, but that is the main issue I face in a Blogspot template. As you can see, still writing the code. Here still writing the code. I've just said that find all issues and fix it. As you can see here, it is complete. So we're gonna just copy this one and say it's working or not. Just let us go up, and we can just click copy. Now just click here, save. Again we are facing some problem. Okay, line 99, 99, 99, this one. I don't know why in the one comment it's saying error. 302, 445. Okay, I'm gonna just find all like that and just remove all of them. Okay, (694) head tag. So as you can see that you find many problem like that. Even then I'm not sure that it can be successful. So that's the reason why I stopped doing that. Again I found the problem and no solution. Let's see again, try this one. Command V, save. Again here you are facing problems. Let's see this one. Copy, command copy paste. So if you want to make a Blogspot template using AI tools, I would recommend that you should have a little bit more knowledge. And next video I will try to find out some ways in which without any knowledge about it we can fix the problems. If you copy paste and try to say that this is a problem, we get the solution. It's not that we don't, we have to wait a lot of time. For example, let's say we just gonna copy this, and which one, this one, we said just paste that. So it's gonna give you the answer for it, but for that you have to try again and again. So the next video we're gonna see that what this is gonna fixed. And thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.